Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of SubWallet How To. In this video, I'm going to give you instructions on how to install SubWallet Browser Extension and create a new account with Avail. Let's get started from SubWallet website. On the homepage, select Extension, and then you'll be taken to the download page. You can choose your browser of choice. In here, I'll choose Chrome, and then you can hit Add to Chrome from this page. Hit Add Extension. Then the SubWallet Browser Extension should be downloaded, and then it will open up a new expanded view for you. From the welcome page, select Create a new account. Scroll down to read all sections of our terms of use, and then tick the box I understand and agree, then hit Continue. In this step, you're required to create a strong master password, and this password will be applied to all of your accounts that you will create in this SubWallet extension. Please note that this password is applied locally on your device, so SubWallet can't recover the password for you. Make sure you tick the box and then hit Continue. Tick all of the boxes to make sure you understand fully the importance of your seed phrase and how to keep your seed phrase safe. You can click Don't Show Again and then hit Continue to continue. Okay, and here's your seed phrase. Click Copy to the clipboard to copy your seed phrase and make sure you store it somewhere safe. After that, click I have kept it somewhere safe and then go to Home. Now you have successfully created your account. Select Customize your asset display, search for Avail, and then turn on the Avail Goldberg testnet. This way you can see your Avail balance and interact with the network. From all accounts, select Polkadot account, and then here you will see your Avail balance. Thank you for watching.